Did you know? I've heard that in the future, the most profitable routes won't be by land or by water, but by air. In Shenzhen, with just a tap on your phone, a drone can deliver the first cup of milk tea of spring straight from the sky. In Zhuhai, freshly caught seafood can be delivered directly to restaurants by drone for processing. The low-altitude economy is turning many sci-fi scenarios into reality. Many people might still think of drones mainly as tools for aerial photography. In reality, as the economy and technology continue to advance, drones have long been used for tasks like logistics delivery, agricultural crop protection, and emergency rescue. As drones evolve toward higher power and greater intelligence, their cooling requirements are also growing exponentially. Advanced cooling technology is key to helping drones overcome technical bottlenecks. Lightweight designs for heat sinks, such as using composite materials like aluminum alloy and carbon fiber, can reduce the overall weight of the aircraft and lower energy consumption. This is where our Tiger 500B comes into play. As a high-performance drilling and milling machining center, it is specifically designed for high-precision and high-efficiency processing needs. It is especially suitable for precision machining of lightweight metal materials such as aluminum alloys, making it simply the ideal choice for manufacturing drone heat sinks. During the operation of an aircraft, core components such as the motor, battery, and electronic control system generate a large amount of heat when running under high load for extended periods. If heat dissipation is insufficient, it may lead to reduced equipment performance, shortened lifespan, or even malfunction and shutdown. Industrial-grade drones have extremely high requirements for reliability, and the quality of the heatsink directly affects flight stability. The Tiger 500B comes standard with a high-precision lead screw and a highly rigid machine structure, which can maintain stable machining accuracy over the long term, thereby enhancing the overall reliability of drone products. It is equipped with the Mitsubishi M80 system as standard, with a maximum speed of up to 24,000 revolutions per minute, enabling high-speed cutting of aluminum alloys, reducing cutting heat, improving the quality of machine surfaces, and preventing issues such as microcracks or deformation. In addition, its high-speed, high-precision feed system ensures a smooth and efficient cutting process during aluminum machining. The Tiger 500B features high dynamic response capability and comes standard with a 21-tool magazine, achieving tool change times as short as 1.1 seconds. This can significantly reduce machining time, making it well-suited for the mass production needs of drone manufacturing companies. The heatsink is the invisible guardian of drone safety and cost-effectiveness, and with its high precision, high efficiency, and highly stable machining capabilities, the Taikan Tiger 500B provides a solid manufacturing guarantee for the low-altitude economy.